Greetings. We are in Georgia still, and we stopped on our journey at Waterfalls State Park. It's always a nice stop to take a rest and take a little walk, sometimes a hike, and give Pixie a bathroom break and us a bathroom break. This is a really nice campground and state park. It's off I-75. It's probably an hour-ish south of Atlanta, and I think it's like 3.5 hours from my home, and it's a great place to stop to take a break. So here's the falls, at least part of them, right? So there's these falls. I'm going to call them the upper falls. They don't really say that here, but when we drove in over there on the other side of that bridge, you can see where the falls go down, and I know from previous trips where I've hiked, you can see where the falls come down. They're not big like this as far as bigness goes, size goes, but it's just beautiful. There's a lake on the other side of that. You can go swimming and canoeing and paddleboarding and stuff like that in. Most people aren't doing that right now because it's just January. And that's just beautiful. Trail hikes for the kids, learning experiences. Great. Waterfalls State Park in Georgia. Pixie getting a little walk, and Liam gets to play on trees, which he loves so much. He found a friend to play with. Sees me.
Fix it.
IoT?
Maybe. It just looks like it's spelled out to me.
O-U-T would have spelled out.
All right, Pixie, let's go.
You have to use the restroom. Will you tell me where?
All right, Pixie, you ready to go? Shadows. Found something you like over there? Come on, we're going this way. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You're all settled into the car, aren't you? Good girl. Good girl.